Sorry, I'm going to restart number 11. So Degano is selling pretzels and Gatorade at lunch. Denise buys 2 Gatorades and 1 pretzel and pays $11. Gabriel buys 4 Gatorades and 2 pretzels and pays $22. I'm going to have to change this to say 5 Gatorades and ends up paying $26. How much does each item cost? So label what the variables mean. Hint, what is the unknown? What are we trying to find? What are we trying to solve? We want to know how much does each item cost. So G can be the cost of a Gatorade, and P can be the cost of pizza. So this first equation, 2G plus P equals 11. That came from here. Denise buys 2 Gatorades and 1 pretzel and pays 11. So our second equation can come from here. Gabriel buys 5 Gatorades and 2 pretzels and ends up paying $26. So that first equation came from that sentence. Denise bought 2 Gatorades and 1 pretzel and paid 11. There's a 2G, 1P for 1 pretzel, and pays 11. The second equation comes from this. Gabriel bought 5 Gatorades, so 5G, and 2 pretzels, 2P, and paid $26. When we're solving the system using substitution method, we're going to write our answer in a complete sentence. So I'm going to start by writing my 2 equations. I have 2G plus P equals 11, and 5G plus 2P equals 26. So I need to solve by substitution. The only letter that doesn't have a number in front is this P right here. So this is going to be the easiest to isolate. So let's do that. I'll take this 2G, subtract 2G from both sides, subtract 2G. 2G minus 2G is 0, and I'm left with just P isolated equals 11 minus 2G. So remember, when you have a letter and an equal sign with that letter alone, circle whatever's left. We're going to use that in substitution in the other equation. So draw an arrow. This is going to go in as P in my second equation. So I'm going to take out that P and substitute in 11 minus 2G. So the equation reads 5G plus 2 times P, but really we're substituting in 11 minus 2G, because that's what P was, equals 26. So I have 5G plus 22, 2 times 11 is 22, and 2 times negative 2G is negative 4G, equals 26. Now I'm going to combine some like terms. I have a 5G minus 4G. That's 1G. With 22 left on the side equals 26. I'm trying to get G alone, so I'm going to subtract a 22 from both sides to get G alone. Because 22 minus 22, that's 0. I'm left with G equals 26 minus 22 is 4. So I know a Gatorade costs 4. I can write that in. The price of a Gatorade is $4. The price of a pretzel we still don't know, but I do have an equation. The price of a pretzel is 11 minus 2 times a Gatorade. And I know that G is 4, so let's circle that. Here we have a letter and an equal sign. I get to use this as G. So P equals 11 minus 2 times G, and G is 4. P equals 11 minus 8, so P equals 3. The price of a pretzel is $3.